that was nice. That was really good sound. Yeah.
Hi, Marg.
What a well-behaved dog. Is he just laying there?
What dog? Oh, that dog. That's pizzas. Yeah. What? There was bacon in this. There was. She likes to be near that. She's dreaming of bacon. You like to dream of bacon, baby?
What does she do? Oh, she's got a million positions. Now she's kind of, yeah. She's been, sometimes she's just over here and here.
And then she lays like that so quietly.
She goes everywhere. She goes everywhere. I mean, she does every plane ride I go on. And don't even need a leash for her in the airport. She just goes right to first class.
You can bring her into the plane.
Oh, yeah. She's a comfort dog for my anxiety that I have.
A lot of people have those anxieties.
Yes.
You see.
I've actually, pets, it's really kind of the first place that we really learn about life when we're kids. We have puppies, or there's a pet that's already there that, get attached to, and they don't live as long as we do. So it's usually the first kind of encounter with death, for kids is a pet, a dog. And, it's also their first responsibility of caring for something. Other than being cared for, even though the parents always wind up doing everything. At least it's a relationship.
Did you guys have pets growing up yourself? Do you remember?
I had a couple of different. Well, we had a Dalmatian when I was very young, but sadly that dog was hit by a car, and that's like my first memory. What a memory to have, right? And then my dad had a hunting dog for a little while because he used to pheasant hunt, because we lived in a rural area. But then I didn't really have any, because then I college and my early 20s. No, and then started to get my first dog. As an adult, I think was 30.
I've always had dogs. I don't remember not having a dog.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't. I actually just thought that. But it's they're there for you all the time. They have empathy, definitely emotions. For sure. They used to say dogs don't have emotions. I mean, or animals don't.
Who?
It's so
Who said that?
Yeah.
Some idiot.
What a crock.
Yeah.
For sure. And they're a lot more intelligent than we know too.
Oh.
And but like I said, they have empathy for you. They never judge you, and they're always there for you.
So how was it to kind of act with the dog? Because you're talking to a dog. Is it weird? Where did that come?
It's easy. Just you kind of form a relationship with them. It gets better over time. It gets more connected over time. Because they have their trainers that are there, and their focus is on the trainer. Then you just kind of switch that to you.
You did a great job, though. I mean, you had some real
Lots of peanut butter on the face.
But
on the off-camera side.
You also had like.
It's always a good one.
The big scene in which I'm not going to reveal, but where it's a real, mourning process.
No.
And Dennis was beautiful in that scene, and within.
It is. What about the face licking, though? I have to ask about that. You got a lot of licks in the face.
Yeah.
You did in particular. Yeah.
Are you okay with that?
What, with dog cooties?
Yes.
Well, obviously. I think I'm the one with the cooties, maybe some. There's lots of little tricks and other trade and stuff like that go along with it. But the relationship is real. The dog's very spontaneous. It's just getting the dog to focus on you and also you reading the dog.
Right.
Snoring
right.
now.
Yeah. That's not a snore. That's more of a that was nice. That was really good sound. Yeah.
Thank you guys so
All
much.
right.
Thank you.
What a lovely week, by the way.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I see you're in that scary movie too.
Yes.
Look forward to that.
Oh, yeah. Thanks.
Hi there, thanks for watching my channel. If you like that video, maybe there's other videos you like here on my channel, so please subscribe, share, comment, do whatever you like. Be happy, be nice to people, and I hope I see you again soon. Bye.